Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I recently went to a church yard sale in which I bought many items that I shared with you. But I remember that in those videos I kept saying that I was going to leave 2 boxes for last. And the reason why is because I wanted you to focus just on these and that you wouldn't be distracted by all those other items. So this is actually a Danbury Mint 2005 annual gold Christmas ornament, and I bought each one for $1. You can see that it has a little loop here, and it looks so new, unscraped. It looks like they didn't even use these. This is what it looks like in the back, and it has a space here right in there, as well as in the front has some space there. And what I plan to do, of course, is use them in my doll houses. I will use this one the way it is, but this one I'm going to make some changes to it. I'm going to enhance it. I do have beautiful quality little boxes that are gold, that are black, and they would make a great piece to attach to the fireplace to make it stand out even more. And once I do that and I use it in a creation, I can place a nice painting up there that matches the fireplace. So I do have plans for one of these. So stay tuned for that, and in the meantime, before I leave, I would like you to enjoy the beauty of this fireplace. Look at those candles on top. Look at the mantle. Beautiful. The stockings. 3 stockings. Look at the sides of the fireplace. And there's a gift there on the side. Just beautiful. I am so glad that I found this at that church yard sale, and for $1 each. Well, I think that this will be it. So stay tuned, because by Christmas you will see them again. I rather leave these items for Christmas because they're Christmas items. Alrighty, well, this is it. Thank you so much for watching.